So today I am going to talk about 5 grammar mistakes that you are systematically making. And I am also going to tell you how you can fix those mistakes easily and quickly. Make sure to stay until the end of the video because you want to see the biggest mistake that you are probably still making. So let's dive into the lesson. Hi guys, I'm Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French easily and quickly. So today I am going to talk about 5 grammar mistakes that you absolutely need to stop making. So let's dive into the mistake number 1. So the first mistake that you are making is to use a noun without an article in French. So why are you making this mistake? You are making this mistake because in English, you don't systematically need an article with a noun. For example, boys like cars. In this sentence, I have 2 nouns, boys and cars, and I don't have articles. But if I want to translate this sentence in French, I need articles. I repeat, I need articles. And I'm going to have les garçons aiment les voitures. Les garçons aiment les voitures. So always remember, in French, you need to use a noun plus an article. So here, I really want to give you a very, very important tip. So always think about a noun like a little baby. A little baby. And a little baby needs parents, aka articles. So always make sure to have an article with a noun. So the second mistake that you are probably making is to use the wrong article. So I just said before that you need an article with a noun. Well, you need the right article. So as you know, we have feminine nouns in French and masculine nouns. So you need a feminine article with a feminine noun and a masculine article with a masculine noun. So here the issue is, how do you know if a noun is feminine or masculine? Well, I have made a video about how to identify feminine and masculine in French. If you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it. It will help you a lot. So I will put the link in the description box down below. So always make sure to use the right article. So the third mistake that you are probably making is to put the adjective before the noun like you would do in English. Well, in French, we put the article after the noun. Yes, after the noun. For example, une voiture rouge. Une voiture rouge. So here I understand why a lot of you guys are confused. Because sometimes, yes, sometimes we put the adjective before the noun. Yes, I know it is really confusing, but I am going to explain everything. So you are going to place before the noun adjectives that we call bags. Bags adjectives are adjectives that refer to beauty, age, goodness, and size. For example, for beauty, we have beau, belle. For age, we have jeune, nouveau. For goodness, we have bon, meilleur. And for size, we have petit, petite. I put a list of all those bags, adjectives, on my website, MyFrenchStory.com. Same thing here, I will put the link in the description box down below. So the fourth mistake that you are probably making is to not do your agreements between the noun and the adjective. So what is an agreement? So the word agreement comes from the word to agree. So remember, in the sentence, the noun is the little baby and it is the center of attention. So the adjectives, they have to agree with the noun. They have to adapt with the noun. They have to adapt to the baby. So if the noun is feminine, you need a feminine adjective. And if the noun is masculine, well, you need a masculine adjective. For example, une fille courageuse une fille courageuse, un garçon courageux, un garçon courageux. So here, make sure that you adapt the adjective to the noun. So if you are watching this video and you are a beginner and you would love to learn more French, well, enroll in my online course for beginners. I will help you learn French easily and quickly. Same thing here, I will put the link in the description box down below. So the last mistake is to not conjugate your verbs. Yes. So I see a lot of you guys not conjugating your verbs. So I know that in French there are a lot of verbs, a lot of tenses, a lot of endings, and it can be really, really confusing. But it is not an excuse for you to not conjugate your verbs. You need to conjugate them. For example, if you want to translate, I eat an apple. I see a lot of students saying je mangeais une pomme. So here the problem is with manger. You can't have manger with er. You need to conjugate it. So you need to get rid of er and put the right ending. So if you don't know how to conjugate verbs, well, I made a video about how to conjugate verbs in French. Same thing, I am going to put the link in the description box down below. And if you already know that you need to conjugate verbs, well, do it. Keep doing it because it is really important. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Please tell me in the comment section box down below, what is the mistake that you are guilty of making? I want to know everything. Also, if you liked this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me and I see you very soon for another video. Thank you.